Sam had always been a bit of a tech enthusiast, so when he found a broken phone on the sidewalk one evening, he couldn't resist taking it home to see if he could fix it. The phone was in bad shape, its screen cracked, and the casing dented, but something about it seemed different, almost experimental. After carefully prying it open, Sam noticed an unusual chip embedded inside, something he'd never seen before. It was sleek, with a strange, pulsating light that seemed almost alive. Intrigued, Sam connected the phone to his computer, hoping to dig deeper into its contents. As the device powered up, Sam's screen lit up with a sophisticated interface that didn't belong to any known operating system. It was unlike anything he'd ever encountered, smooth, intuitive, and eerily advanced. The phone's software seemed to be running on an AI so advanced it could anticipate Sam's every move, offering solutions to problems before he even asked. It was as if the phone was learning from him in real time, adapting to his needs and thoughts. Sam began to explore the files, uncovering blueprints and documents that detailed a groundbreaking technology called Project Nexus. This wasn't just any tech innovation, it was a leap forward in human-computer interaction, promising to merge AI with neural interfaces in a way that could revolutionize the world. But why was it hidden inside a broken phone, and who had left it there? The more Sam explored, the more he realized the potential and the dangers of what he'd found. The phone wasn't just a prototype, it was a working model of technology that could change everything, giving whoever possessed it unprecedented control over information and human cognition. As he delved deeper, the phone began to display warning messages, as if urging him to stop. But Sam was too engrossed to heed the warnings. Suddenly, the phone screen flashed with a message: "You have accessed restricted data, initiating lockdown." Before he could react, the device shut itself down, leaving Sam staring at the dark screen, his heart pounding. Whoever had lost this phone hadn't just misplaced a gadget, they had lost the key to the future, and Sam had just stumbled upon it.